Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling nearby sharing so the system can find other devices. Open Settings, go to System, then Shared Experiences, and toggle nearby sharing on. Once done, choose My Devices only for secure transfers or Everyone Nearby if you need quick discovery. Pick what fits your environment. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on both machines. Nearby uses both for discovery and transfer, so without them it won't work. Now locate the file you want to share and right-click to continue. Next, you initiate the actual send. Right-click the file or folder and choose Share. Windows will scan for nearby devices and list available recipients. When the target device appears, click it. This tells Windows to prepare a connection. On the receiving PC, the user will see a notification asking to accept the transfer. Make sure they accept promptly because the offer times out. While the connection negotiates, Windows may switch between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi direct to optimize speed. That's normal and improves transfer performance. To finish, monitor the transfer progress and confirm the file landed in Downloads or your chosen folder. Once complete, verify file integrity by opening it. If it won't open, resend. If the transfer fails, first toggle nearby sharing off and back on, then restart Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Simple resets often restore discovery. If devices still can't see each other, make sure both PCs are on private networks and review firewall settings to permit file sharing. Finally, retry with a small test file to validate the fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.